How to use Gmail Spaces feature. First, you want to simply open your Gmail on a web browser, and once you have opened your Gmail on a web browser, you want to simply go to the desktop site over here, tap on three dots over here, and you want to enable desktop site first. And after that, you want to simply go to your settings over here, tap on settings, and once you tap on see all settings, you'll be able to redirected to this general tab over here, and inside your general tab you want to click on chat and meet, and you want to simply enable Google Chat from here. Tap on save changes, and by doing so you'd be able to see the space option over here on this chat section. You want to simply tap on chat, and by doing so you'd be able to start your chat over here as well. However, for the spaces you can simply tap on find a space to join, and by doing so you'd be able to create your space, browse spaces over here, and if you want to create some space, and if you want to create spaces with people, you can simply tap on create a space. However, if you're just looking for spaces to join, you can simply tap on browse spaces and search your spaces from here, and you'd be able to join them as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.